In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out in Google Calendar. If your calendar feels a little too zoomed in and you want to see more of your schedule at a glance, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to make everything a bit smaller so more fits on the screen without changing your events. First, open your web browser and head to calendar.google.com. Give the page a moment to load your calendar. Once you're looking at your calendar grid, make sure the page is active by clicking anywhere inside the calendar area. This ensures your browser is ready to apply the zoom controls to the calendar rather than another tab or window. To zoom out, use your browser's zoom shortcuts. On most keyboards, hold the control key and scroll your mouse wheel down to zoom out smoothly. If you prefer a simple key press, hold control and tap the minus key. Each tap reduces the zoom one step. On a Mac, use the command key instead of control, so command plus the minus key, or hold command while you scroll down on your mouse or trackpad. If you're using a trackpad, two-finger scrolling down while holding control or command works the same way. As you zoom out, you'll notice the entire Google Calendar interface scales down. Text and events get a bit smaller, more hours fit on the screen in day or week view, and you can scan more information without scrolling. This is especially useful when you're planning across busy days and want to see overlapping events in context. Keep tapping the minus key or keep scrolling down until the layout feels comfortable and readable for you. If nothing seems to happen, click once inside the calendar and try again. Some browsers also display a small zoom indicator in the address bar or in the menu. That's a helpful confirmation that your zoom level is changing. If you ever go too far and want to return to the default size, use Ctrl+0 on Windows or Command+0 on Mac to reset the zoom instantly. A quick note, this method uses your browser's zoom, which affects the whole calendar page. It doesn't change your actual events or your default calendar settings. It's a safe, reversible way to adjust your view on the fly. That's all there is to it. Open Google Calendar, then zoom out with Control and scroll down, or Control plus the minus key, use Command on a Mac, until you can see exactly as much as you need. Thanks for watching and enjoy a clearer, wider view of your schedule.